Hey, it's Elliot. Wednesday morning, we get live music in the studio from Catfish and the Bottlemen. I have tickets for you to go to Kerfuffle and tickets to see Zach Brown Band with the Avis Brothers.
182.5.
Feeling like tax season might run you over? Avoid the project pileup. Accountant.